Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn a very specific question of Islamiyat on the biography of Holy Prophet, which is about the qualities of Holy Prophet. ये बहुत आसान सवाल है, लेकिन बच्चे बेशुमार ब्लंडर्स करते हैं और 10 out of 10 इसमें आराम से लिए जा सकते हैं, but they stick to words level 2 the 4th mark. दो तरह के सवाल आते हैं, एक जिसमें क्वालिटी एग्जामिनर मेंशन कर देता है कि टेल अस अबाउट द जेनरोसिटी ऑफ होली प्रॉफिट, ह्यूमिलिटी ऑफ होली प्रॉफिट, और वो जनरलाइज कर देता है सवाल को, टेल अस अबाउट एनी 2 क्वालिटीज, 3 क्वालिटीज एंड टेल अस अबाउट द ग्रेट मॉरल कैरेक्टर, जिसमें बेशुमार क्वालिटीज लिखनी. कैसे करना है इस वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे. There is a specific way of attempting this question. आपने 3 चीजें अपने जवाब में लिखनी. पहला, mention the quality. दूसरा, think of a quotation from Quran or Hadith and write it down. And then any 2 to 3 good examples of that quality in the life of Holy Prophet, they are to be mentioned. Now, I will explain you forgiveness. आप मेरे साथ पेन पेंसिल उठाएं, साथ रफ नोट्स बनाएं ताकि ये सवाल अभी अटेम्प्ट हो जाए. When we talk about the mercy, forgiving nature of Holy Prophet, तो आपने कोटेशन सोचनी है forgiveness के ऊपर. कोई भी सिलेबस के बाहर से कुछ सोचें. When we talk about syllabus, तो एक कोटेशन है, Allah does not show mercy to those who do not show mercy to others. मैं फिर बोल रहा हूं, याद करें मेरे साथ. Allah does not show mercy to those who do not show mercy to others. Now, think from the biography of all the occasions where he showed mercy. और वो लिखने के बाद आउटलाइन की फॉर्म में pick 2 to 3 good examples. सबसे पहले आपके दिमाग में जो चीज आती है, ताइफ. अब पूरा इवेंट ऑफ ताइफ तो नहीं लिखना. कितना लिखना है, आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग इट टू यू. Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, went to the city of Taif to preach them the message of Islam. He taught their elders, but elders not only rejected, but they asked the people to pelt Holy Prophet with stones, throw garbage, and spit on him. Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, was badly treated by them, and when he sat down, his shoes were filled with blood. And then Jibrail, along with the angel of mountain, they came and asked Holy Prophet, if you order us, we will crush the city of Taif between 2 mountains. Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, now could torture them, could crush them, or choose mercy. He said, I have been sent as a mercy to mankind. So this shows Holy Prophet had a merciful personality. अब इसी तरह समराइज तरीके से आपने कोई दूसरी एग्जाम्पल सोचनी. मेरे दिमाग में जो आ रही है वो कॉन्क्वेस्ट ऑफ मक्का. Holy Prophet with 10,000 men, when he captured Makkah, the people of Makkah were standing right in front of him. Those people who tortured him for 13 years. Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, asked them, ये याद कर लो, easy है. Holy Prophet asked them, what do you expect from me? They replied, you are a noble brother and son of a noble brother. We expect good from you. Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, now could have tortured them, punished them, executed them. Holy Prophet said that I will treat you the way Yusuf treated his brothers. You are free from all fears today. May Allah forgive you. And he chose mercy over punishment. कौन थे वो लोग? Hind, Vaishi, those who ill-treated his own family. Hazrat Hamza was killed by Vaishi. Hind mutilated his body. However, Holy Prophet chose mercy over torture. So this shows that Holy Prophet had a merciful personality. आपने इसी तरह 2 एग्जाम्पल्स एक्सप्लेन करनी. मर्सीफुल फॉरगिवनेस समझ आ गया. अब इसी तरह हम नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल पे जाएंगे, ऑनेस्टी एंड ट्रस्टवर्दीनेस, सादिक एंड अमीन. बच्चा बच्चा जानता है होली प्रॉफिट वाज नोन एज सादिक एंड अमीन. अब कोई कोटेशन सोचो इस टॉपिक के ऊपर, आसान वाली जो मैं बच्चों को क्लास में बहुत ज्यादा बोलता हूं, और कोई भी सुन रहा है इस कोटेशन पे अमल करे. द वन हु चीट्स इज नॉट अमंगस्ट अस. डू नॉट सेल योर फेथ for a mark or so. ये बात याद रखना कामयाब होने के लिए बहुत important है. However, now think of 2 to 3 examples from the life of Holy Prophet which show that Holy Prophet was Sadiq and Amin. सबसे पहले जो हमारे दिमाग में एग्जाम्पल आती है वो मैरिज विद हजरत खदीजा है. Hazrat Khadija Razi Ta'ala Anhu sent Mesra, the slave, with Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, to check about Holy Prophet. And he spoke high about Holy Prophet. And then Hazrat Khadija sent marriage proposal to Nafisa. And the marriage proposal shows that Holy Prophet was honest. The marriage proposal, yaad kare mere saath. O son of my uncle, I like you because of our relationship and your reputation among your people. What reputation? As truthful, trustworthy, and good character. Sadiq Amin. She mentioned that in the marriage proposal. O son of my uncle, I like you because of our relationship, your reputation among your people as truthful, trustworthy, and good character. This speaks volume about a person, how honest and how trustworthy Holy Prophet was. So ये एक एग्जाम्पल होगी. दूसरी एग्जाम्पल जो आप लोगों ने लाजमी पढ़ी होगी, when Holy Prophet was migrating from Makkah to Medina, he asked Hazrat Ali to return the belongings of the people who had given him the belongings. Who were they? Mostly the people who were there to kill him. Holy Prophet is asking Hazrat Ali to stay back to return the belongings of his enemies who tortured him for 13 years. यहां से पता चलता है कि होली प्रॉफिट सादिक एंड अमीन थे. सो आपने दो एग्जाम्पल्स को अच्छे तरीके से डिस्क्राइब करना है. तरीका क्या? रिवाइज करें. मेंशन द क्वालिटी, quotation, and 2 to 3 examples from the life of Holy Prophet which show that he was Sadiq and Amin. Now let's talk about the third quality of Holy Prophet, that is patience/steadfast. Quotation. सोचे कोई आपके सिलेबस में से आपको मिलती है तो, वरना मेरे साथ याद करें. Say, I believe in Allah and remain steadfast to it. Say, I believe in Allah and remain steadfast to it. Say, I believe in Allah and remain steadfast to it. अब सोचें होली प्रॉफिट ने कहां कहां पेशेंस का मुजाहिरा किया. वैसे तो परसिक्यूशंस की लंबी लाइन है जो आप लिख सकते हो, लेकिन टॉप ऑफ द माइंड जहां पे थोड़ा सा हम तगड़ा पॉइंट बना सकते हैं, बाइकॉट ऑफ बनु हाशिम. For 3 years, boycott of Banu Hashim and Banu Mutlab took place. The people were sent to Shebe Abi Talib. They stayed there without food, etc. And they were all suffering because of Holy Prophet. And Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, and all of them remained patient and did not complain about the situation. इसके अलावा Abu Jahl placed the filth of she-camel on the back of Holy Prophet. He, peace be upon him, remained patient. He did not reply back. He did not say bad things to him. He went to the Mount of Safa. He called all of them and he said to them, if I say there is an army standing behind this mountain, would you believe me? They all said yes. But then Holy Prophet asked them to believe in oneness of Allah. There was silence. And then Abu Lahab said, may you perish. Did you call us for this? Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, was stunned to see his own family rejecting him, but he remained patient. In Badr, we were 313, they were 1,000. We were very less equipped. They were very well equipped. 1,000. Very well with armor, sword, etc. We prayed from Allah Ta'ala. We remained patient. We remained steadfast. And Allah Ta'ala granted us victory. So बहुत सारी एग्जाम्पल्स हैं जिनका आप जिक्र कर सकते हो. बस आपने कोई अच्छी 2-3 एग्जाम्पल्स उठानी है, उन्हें डिस्क्राइब करना है, एंड यू विल गेट द मार्क्स. चौथी क्वालिटी एंड द लास्ट क्वालिटी व्हिच आई एम डिस्कसिंग इज द ह्यूमिलिटी, मॉडेस्टी ऑफ होली प्रॉफिट, पीस बी अपॉन. मॉडेस्टी कोटेशन कोई दिमाग में आती है, सोचें. हदीस में आती है दैट मॉडेस्टी प्रोड्यूसेस नथिंग बट गुड. याद करें, modesty produces nothing but good. याद करें, modesty produces nothing but good. However, When we talk about a Quranic quotation भी आपके दिमाग में आनी चाहिए, sources में याद किए. Say to the believing men to lower their gaze and guard their modesty, and say to the believing women to lower their gaze and guard their modesty. याद आया बच्चों? तो कोई भी quotation लिखो. अब सोचो किस किस ओकेजन पर होली प्रॉफिट ने ह्यूमिलिटी का मुजाहिरा किया, हम्बलनेस का मुजाहिरा किया. सबसे पहले जो मेरे दिमाग में बात आती है, when he migrated to Medina, he built his own house, mosque, Masjid Nabawi. The walls were made up of unbaked bricks. The roof was made up of date palm leaves and mud. The pillars were the trunks of date palm. Very simple material, no show off. So this shows he had humility, humbleness, simplicity in his life. In the Battle of Trench, when we were digging the trench, he could have acted like a king of that time, sat at a certain place and did nothing. However, Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, participated in the digging of trench as a labor, not only over there, but also building in his house as well. And then the last example which comes in my mind, a very important one, when he was entering in Makkah with 10,000 of his men, capturing Makkah, most important time of his life, his head was touching the hump of the camel. His head was low, thanking Allah Ta'ala for the countless blessings. So he was modest, humble, and you are to explain 2 to 3 examples from the life of Holy Prophet. अब अगर एग्जामिनर स्पेसिफिक क्वालिटी मेंशन कर देता है, आप उस क्वालिटी की कोटेशन और 2 से 3 एग्जांपल्स को डेवलप करो, दैट्स इट. बट अगर आता है 2 क्वालिटीज, मेंशन द क्वालिटी, कोटेशन, देन 2 to 3 एग्जांपल्स. अगर आता है 3 क्वालिटीज, मेंशन द क्वालिटी, कोटेशन, 2 to 3 एग्जांपल्स. पैटर्न इज नॉट चेंजिंग. बट अगर क्वालिटीज मेंशन नहीं है और ओवरऑल आ जाता है, then think 6 to 7 examples from the life of Holy Prophet. उन 6-7 एग्जाम्पल्स में से आपने कोटेशन और 2 एग्जाम्पल्स कोशिश करनी है उन्हें डेवलप करने की. वैसे एक भी चल जाती है, बट 2 डेवलप करने की कोशिश करनी, एंड देन यू आर गुड टू गो. इस तरीके से क्वालिटीज का क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट किया जाता है. अगर ये पेपर में आया तो ये आपके मुफ्त के नंबर हैं अगर आप स्मार्टली अटेम्प्ट करते. अब इस तरीके से आपका क्वालिटी का क्वेश्चन हो जाएगा. योर होमवर्क इज दैट यू आर टू थिंक अ कोटेशन फॉर generosity and 2 to 3 good examples of generosity and comment them under this video. I will guide you if you do not find any. Thank you. Allah sone de hawale.